Hello, how is my scooter people? This is my first delivery that I am doing with a subscriber who wanted to try my aerial rider Grizzly for her to buy one and do delivery in New York City. And now we are doing the first delivery. The only bad thing is that she is very slow for New York City, and she is be very careful in here if you're too slow. We'll get you out of the way. New York City moves fast all the time. There's no time to waste when we're looking for money. And I'm sorry, but here... Now she knows how New York City moves, that it's always moving fast. There's never time for anything, especially if you're driving in front of a car and you're driving slow. If I had been alone doing this delivery, it would have taken me about 5 minutes to do it, but since I was with her, I lasted almost 25 minutes doing it. I know that she wanted to be careful with the bike because it wasn't hers and the bike is very powerful. Thank you for taking care of it, but I didn't take care of it. It was made to drive hard and fast. It's made for the mountains, but we're in the cement jungle. Before that, I took her to a park so she could drive fast to get used to the bike for when we leave for the concrete jungle. She was a little more used to the aerial rider Grizzly, but it was very strong for her. And she was only driving on one battery. When I put both batteries on at the same time, it was too fast for her. And I told her, if you drive slow it will be less money. You want a bike that goes 20 miles per hour, but here you have to have a powerful bike for when cars get in your way. For me, at first it was very fast until I got used to it. Now I want to change the electric motors to put 2 more powerful motors so that I can go faster. I still don't know when to do it. When I find an electric motor that is very safe and a battery that lasts a long time. She liked the aerial rider Grizzly bike, but it's too heavy for her. She needs a smaller electric bike so she can bring it on the train every day and carry it up the stairs. It's heavy, even for me. The only way I can carry it up the stairs is by removing the 2 batteries. But I don't know if there is a small electric bike that the battery can last the whole day like the aerial rider Grizzly that I have. I told her to buy one that lasts the whole day, even if it doesn't look as pretty as she wants it to. Well, I'm going to put everything we did that day on the screen because it was a very long day with little delivery. And when I say little delivery, it was a Friday, which is a little busier, but the speed wasn't there. And when I say the speed wasn't there, it was that we were doing 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's not enough to do 20 deliveries in one day. Especially that all the orders were coming out 5 miles and up. The memory card was damaged, and those are the only video I could get from that day. And thanks to that subscriber who spent the whole day with me in the night, but not the night. I'm only going to put the first delivery in the last one because it was a very long day. We're on our way to one of my favorite projects. And the last delivery will be done in a Riverdale project. And with which of the 2? You think I got the best tip? And at night, the light in my Wolf King GT Pro is 100 times better than the light in my car.